Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. Today I'm going to review two slime shops on Etsy. This one is from MystiqueSlime and they're a 4-star shop, and this slime cost me £9.50 with £3 shipping, with £12.50 total. So here are a little thank you message, that's sweet, and some information on how to look after your slime. So that's really nice, and it looks like it's well bubble wrapped, and this came super fast, this package, so really good for delivery. Oh, so look at this. I can see all the lovely colours, the blue. Wow, look at those sequins and the avalanche. Wow. It looks like there might be a bit of leakage here. I think the lid has cracked a bit. Maybe the packaging needs to be a bit more robust, but that is beautiful. Just look at that. Wow. So I've just realised I managed to completely fail in recording mixing this slime. So here's some shots of what it looked like before, and here's what it looked like being played with. So I would say that this slime has a very good consistency. It has good poke and click, and they've definitely used Cleopatra slime, I'm thinking, because the scent is quite heavy with a sort of marzipan smell, like sort of almondy. So if you like marzipan, you'll love this slime because it's definitely got that scent. But otherwise, it was really lovely to be able to mix the avalanche. I'm sorry you guys didn't get to see that, but it's really stretchy and great to handle. So that's a very well thought out slime, nicely put together. Shame about the cracked lid. I think definitely do some more robust packaging to make sure that slimes get to their destinations in one piece. Otherwise, really good. Okay, so on to the next shop. This is UniCoSlimery, and this slime cost me £7.50 and shipping was free, so that's really good. This has come in a gorgeous silver bubble wrapped envelope, and it's pretty hard to get into. So this shop is 5-star, and this came pretty quickly as well, so I was very happy with delivery. So once I can get in, let's have a look at this slime. Oh, so we've got a very generous bag of extras. That looks really lovely. And this is very well packaged. So in this little extras bag we have some information, I'm guessing. Yep, so thank you so much for ordering from me, really appreciate it, and what to do with your slime if anything needs fixing. So that's very helpful, very nicely done. So we've got this really cute little star lolly, some borax, do not eat, another sweetie, a boiled sweet, a really cute eraser with a rainbow on it, a little sugar stick, and a chew it. Oh, that's so generous, thank you so much. Wow, so this is really well packaged in 2 layers of bubble wrap, and here is the slime. Looks like past the parcel. Ooh. So there's their logo, and look, we've got lots of little rainbow sprinkles in the bottom. That looks really nice. And there's this cellophane wrap over the top as well. So they've been super careful about packaging their product. Oh look, it's very frosty. So this looks really lovely. Look at that. Wow. It's got a sort of sweet scent. Yeah, it's definitely got a very nice, sweet, very subtle scent to it. It's slightly sticky, so I might need to activate it, but this is very clayey, buttery, and look at all those sprinkles, and it's a beautiful shade of pink. Well, I definitely need to activate it a bit, but this slime is still lovely. Very smooth and spreadable. It's got good poke and click. And yeah, just activate it and see what it's like. Well, there's no doubt about it, that is a lovely slime. So I'm not surprised they're 5-star because the extras and the packaging and the slime itself, I'm so happy with it, and they've done a very good job. Look at all these extras, it's so generous. Plus the free shipping, what's not to love? So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of these slimes in the comments below, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!